In this video, we are going to look on how to trade meme coins on Solana. To trade crypto coins, we would need to use an exchange, and to trade Solana meme coins, BullX might be a good choice as it has adequate features to trade crypto on Solana. Create your BullX account and then click here on Chain. Keep everything unchecked except Solana and click on Start Trading. Then click here on Filter and keep these three filters checked. And also set the market cap in a decent range. We are applying these filters to avoid getting scammed or getting rug pulled by any scam coin. This increases our chance of trading in healthy markets. After you apply all these filters, click on Apply. You can either choose meme coins from the dashboard or even search the specific ones from here. For example, like this. Once you choose your coin, click on it and you will see this on your screen. You can see the holders of this coin by clicking here, and you can also see what type of holders it has. By clicking here, you can view the top traders. You can view your ongoing trades here. You can view your history with trading this coin. In trades, you can see the trades taken by other coin traders. In Order tab, you will see your open or close buy and sell orders. From here, you can buy and sell the crypto. To buy any cryptocurrency, you have two options. First is market order and the other one is limit order. If you choose market order, then you will purchase your crypto according to its current trading price or last trading price. In short, the order gets immediately executed and you will get your crypto. If you choose limit order, then you are able to set a price range in which you wish to purchase the crypto. Once the coin reaches your price, the order gets executed. For example, like this. Set your price and the amount of crypto you want to purchase and click on Buy. To sell the crypto coin, the method is same. You can either choose market order or limit order. Your executed orders will appear in the Orders tab. Just note, whenever you buy or sell any crypto, you have to pay gas fee. It is a fee which is given to the network to help execute your order. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.